These are the formulas for standard deviation. It's a individual series, discrete series and continuous series formulas. The first formula is given, standard deviation symbol, sigma fx square divided by under root sigma fx divided by sigma fx square divided by n. Under root is formula, sigma means total, f means frequency, x square we have to do, then number of atom. Into the second discrete series, sigma is equal to standard deviation is equal to under root sigma fd square divided by n, sigma fd divided by n whole square. Okay, here fd square, but here sigma fd divided by n whole square. When comes to continuous series, standard deviation is equal to under root sigma fd dash whole square divided by n minus sigma fd dash divided by n whole square into c also there. Okay, coefficient of variance is another simple small formula, standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Now let's see the question. This is the standard deviation and individual series. Find the standard deviation of the following distribution: 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. So we have to now calculate the standard deviation with the formula of standard deviation is equal to, this is the individual series, so root sigma x square divided by n. So let's calculate the standard deviation. Okay, an answer also given. Let's start the solution. For individual series in standard deviation formula we have seen. First let's write the question of x, 10, 12, 14, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. What we have to do first is we have to make a new x. How we can do that? With this old x. Old x, we will take a assume value from old x. Take any value, assume, for example 20. I'm taking 20. I'm assuming 20. Okay, so this 20 according to formula it is minus now. So 10 minus 20 is minus 10. 12 minus 20 is plus 2. 20 minus 8. 14 minus 20 is minus 6. 16 minus 20 is minus 4. 18 minus 20 is minus 2. 20, 0. 22 minus 20 is 2. 24 minus 20 is 4. 26 minus 20 is 6. 28 minus 20 is 8. Now make it square. 100. 8 8 is 64. When square should be plus, because minus into minus plus. 10 into 10, 100 square. In cube definitely it will minus, but square 2, 4, 6, 8, if we are multiplying like this, so we will get plus value. 6 6 are 36, 4 4 are 16, 2 2 are 4, 0 into 0 0, 2 2 are 4, 4 4 are 16, 6 6 are 36, 8 8 are 64. Let's add the value. What is the formula for standard deviation? Standard deviation is equal to under root sigma x square divided by n. N is number of atom. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. n is equal to 10. This is integer series, that's why I'm taking number of item, not frequency is not given because it's not a discrete and continuous. X square, how much? Sigma means total. X square, how much? We have not calculated it, so let's calculate. 20, 30, 60, 120, till here 120. Here also 120 means 240, 340. Overall 340 we are getting. So here under root 340 divided by 10 means under root 34. Under root 34 means 34, 5.83. How much we are getting? 5.8. 5.8 we are getting. Okay, this is the answer in individual series. If it is discrete series, so how we can calculate if it is in discrete series? For example,